visitors from all over the world, and not just humans. The ospreys are perhaps the most spectacular of all the wildlife drawn to Bassenthwaite Lake. But there's so much to take in. Even beneath the water, there's a rare species of fish, as we'll find out later. Sounds perfect, yet in fact, all of this is under threat. The problem is, not only is the lake getting dirtier, but it's also getting shallower. Except at the very centre, most of this lake is now only 5 metres deep. Even though a quarter of all the rain that falls over the Lake District passes through Bassenthwaite, it brings with it silt, which is left behind in the lake, and a foreign invader is making matters worse. Himalayan balsam.
Driving out to native parts, and then when it dries back in the winter, all that's left is bare earth which gets washed down by floods, silts up the lake, and erodes the banks as they change the nature of the waterways. So the idea is to get rid of it.
The balsam has a distinctive flower that looks like a policeman's helmet. That makes it popular in people's gardens, but it spreads like wildfire, so it takes an army of volunteers to try and keep it at bay.
I just retired from the fire service. I knew that if I stayed in the house all day, I'd soon go around the bend and end up at the pub. So I thought, well, I always wanted to get out there and enjoy the countryside around here, so I thought I might as well do something useful. I'm not just a person who comes and goes around and does that, but that's just sort of get involved. So I feel that by working on it, it's sort of, I can feel that I've got a longer life, not being a local person.
Another even more aggressive invader is New Zealand pygmyweed. It encroaches and smothers a rare native plant, the floating water plantain. Clearing pygmyweed has met with little success. Even a small sliver of its leaf can regenerate by itself, so it's vital everything from boats to wellies are cleaned before they enter the lake. With so much rainfall, you'd think the water in Bassenthwaite would be as clean as nature intended, but you'd be wrong. This may look like clear, pure water, but actually it contains far too many nutrients. Each litre contains 25 micrograms of phosphorus. It may not sound like much, but it's twice the level that this lake can bear. That could be disastrous. The effects are felt beneath the waves by one of Britain's rarest fish. The Vendis hides in the deepest water, but fertilizers washed in from the fields encourage algae, which sink to the bottom, starving the fish of oxygen, and the extra silt smothers their spawning grounds. It's a crisis that calls for drastic action.
The bottom line is if nothing's done, there will become extinct in this lake. We're actually taking the fish out when they come to the surface in winter, and then we're removing fish and we're removing the eggs, and taking those to some of the tarns that are capable of acting as a nursery. So if we actually did lose our fish here in Bassenthwaite in the short term, until we actually restore it to good health, then we have got a population that's waiting to come back and removed from the upland tarns.
This tarn is so remote, it's an ideal natural laboratory. Quite literally a gene pool preserving the Vendis species until Bassenthwaite is cleaned up, and the scale of that task is enormous.
You can really say that everything on the horizon that you can see and beyond all drains through the lake and going to engage with all of the industries, whether it's farming, whether it's forestry, and even the tourism industry, to reduce the amount of fertiliser used in farming. And we're looking to the tourism industry to play their part in trying to reduce the amount of detergents and soaps that are going to the water.
With 14 million tourists coming to the lakes each year, it's easy to see how by each of us holding on to that hotel towel for an extra day, we could all make a real difference. The good news is, some visitors have found the lakes very much to their liking, and they've been back again and again. After an absence of 150 years, the ospreys returned to Cumbria to breed in 2001 and have been back to Bassenthwaite every year since. It's a great place to bring up their young, with the lake providing lots of fish to fill those hungry mouths. 70 volunteers are involved in making sure everyone can enjoy these birds, but without disturbing them.
Yeah, they do, yeah. Oh, some have never looked through a telescope before. But when you do, and the teenagers that come up, arms folded, they've been dragged up by their parents, no interest at all, but if you can persuade them to look, right then, suddenly they'll say, it's moving, it's turning its head, or it's flapping its wings, and you think, yes, they've seen it, and that's really, really exciting.
The ospreys face more dangers than an angry oyster catcher. Before the chicks are born, volunteers mount a 24-hour vigil to stop egg collectors approaching the nest. The only time they come into close contact with humans is when they're ringed. At just 5 weeks old, they can't fly and instinctively play dead. That way they don't struggle and don't injure themselves trying to escape. Little do the ospreys know, their every move can be watched live on screen.
They spend the winter in Africa. This obviously because the back here in November, and possibly not there quite before, so the food locked in and they can't get it, or she can't get it. When as soon as I heard that they hit up there, that's mine, whatever politics, I'm going to have it for you. And I get immense amount of pleasure out of talking to the children. I can get the children enthusiastic, I can get the adults enthusiastic. And bigger than holiday when they get to be adults with a ready for the fire like this. How big will they be? Well, almost as big as the moon. A very, very long set of wings, as big as that up there. Children are, look at that bird. And the questions that they ask you, it's really remarkable. And they teach you all after there. And they say, what a wonderful day we have. I'm going to look at the birds when I grow up. What a parent that is. What's all the money in the world to me.
When the ospreys fly off to Africa for the winter, all the volunteers anxiously wait for the